خيركم من تعلم القرآن وعلمه. The best among you are those who learn the Quran and teach it. Welcome to the Islamic. In this video, you will learn Takhti number 1 of Noorani Qaida with the correct pronunciation or makharij. There are many Noorani Qaidas are available in the market, so carefully select colorful Tajweedi Noorani Qaida for your kid so it will be easy for you to make them teach and to understand the letters. There are 30 letters in Arabic alphabet and each letter has a different sound, different point of articulation, which is also called makharij in Arabic. So learn and teach Quran with correct pronunciation. You should know the points of articulation or makharij. Now I am going to start the first Takhti number, which is also called Ad-Darsul Awwal in Arabic, with different point of articulations as given in this video. So look carefully and also listen or note the point of makharij of all these letters. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Ghal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Swad, Zwad, Ta, Za, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Hamza, Ya. Now look at this photo carefully and note the point of articulation or the makharij. Hope so you like the video. See you in next video of Takhti number 2 inshallah very soon. Until Allah Hafiz. Don't like to forget to share, subscribe and like my video and channel Ilmu.